Hi, English with AliSir. Today we are going to have a look on present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to refer to some temporary situations, to some temporary work which are happening at the moment of speaking. So it is a continuous process. For example, Ali is running. She is walking to school. I'm having dinner. They are watching a comedy film. Present continuous with singular nouns and third person singular nouns he, she, it. We use is plus present participle form of verb, that means verb plus ing. With plural nouns and the pronouns you, we, and they, we use are plus present participle form of the verb. With first person singular, that means I, we use am plus present participle form of verb. Let's take a couple of examples in order to elaborate these things. For example, I'm running. Negative statement would be I'm not running. Question would be am I running? So for first person singular, we can say for first person singular, we can say we are running, we are not running, or we're running. For second person, we can say you are running, you are not running, or you running. Third person singular can be he, she, it. For example, he is running, she is running, it is running. For negative statement, we can convert it into he is not running, she is not running, it is not running. For question, we can say is he running, is she running, is it running. For third person plural, it would be they are running. Negative statement would be they are not running or they ain't running. Question would be are they running? Simple. So simple simply speaking, we can say present continuous tense presents the action that is going on, this time continuously, and it is temporary. It does not reflect any perfection, it does not reflect any accomplishment, it does not show us the completion of any action. So this was all for present continuous tense. Thank you.